So welcome back friends, my name is Shubham and you're watching The Wrestling Battle. Friends, WWE has a stacked show planned for the next Monday Night Raw. They put out a promo during the Friday Night SmackDown which happened this week that promoted some upcoming in-your-face action, and WWE advertising huge 4 matches for the upcoming Monday Night Raw. So we are going to talk about these 4 matches in this video. So please watch this video till the end because this is going to be interesting one. And please guys, subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification of every video that I am going to upload in this channel. So friends, let's kick off the things. Friends, this week on Monday Night Raw, we watched the current SmackDown Tag Team Champions Shinsuke Nakamura and Cesaro showed up on Monday Night Raw and they confronted the current Raw Tag Team Champions Street Profits. It was a nice confrontation between these two teams. They did some arguments against each other and results came out on a match. Both teams agreed on a match, so we are going to see a champion versus champion match, and this is going to happen on the upcoming Monday Night Raw. So this is going to be interesting one because both teams are equally strong against each other. So this is going to be very nice to see that who is going to win this match. So moving to the next match, and this time this is going to happening in between Asuka versus Mickie James, and this match will be for Raw Women's Championship. Although it's a Raw Women's Championship match, so it might be interesting one, but I have not an expectation from this match because I think Asuka is going to retain her championship very successfully. And there is also a thing to notice that Clash of Champions is very soon. It is going to happening on 27th September 2020 and still there is no competitor is ready for Asuka. The next 2 matches are very good. One of them is Keith Lee versus Drew McIntyre one-on-one, and this is going to be very interesting one. This week on Monday Night Raw, Drew McIntyre interferes during the match of Keith Lee and Randy Orton. He attacks on Randy Orton and due to that interference Keith Lee had to lose his match via disqualification, and this is not the first time that Drew McIntyre interfered into the match of Keith Lee. Before that, Drew McIntyre interfered into the match of Keith Lee when Keith Lee fought for the first time on Monday Night Raw's ring and when he debuted into the Monday Night Raw. So Keith Lee is not happy with the action of Drew McIntyre. So we are going to see a one-on-one match in the upcoming Monday Night Raw show, which is going to happening in between these two men, and this is going to be very interesting one because both men are equally very strong, and I am very confused that who is going to win this match, but I think Randy Orton will play his role in this match. So I am very excited for this match. We have to see this match on Monday Night Raw because this is going to be very interesting one. So moving to the 4th match, and guys, as you know, this week on Monday Night Raw, the Mysterio family brutally attacked on the Buddy Murphy. It was a very brutal attack and it was absolutely looking like a mob lynching that happened with the Murphy. And after this action by the Mysterio family, WWE set a huge match between Seth Rollins and the Dominic Mysterio, and this is going to be happen inside the cage. So this means this is going to be a steel cage match. So we can expect brutality in this match, and Seth Rollins will try to take his revenge and also Buddy's revenge from the Dominic Mysterio and his family. So this is going to be very interesting one, but at the same time Seth Rollins have to tackle the Mysterio's family because they are in a mood to destroy both Murphy and Rollins. So this might be the very interesting match is going to happen in the upcoming show. So I am very excited for this match. Friends, please put down your comments in the comment section that how much you are excited for this match, because this is I think it's going to be the main event match. And so guys, this is all about from this video. I think you like this video. Please hit the like button and please share this video. And guys, so thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. For now, please take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye friends.